Want to climb a sand dune, Mel?
You first?
You're on Central Station.
Left. Lake Mackenzie.
I didn't see that one.
Jimmy tried taking us back to Lake, what is it called? Central Station. It's just there if you need it.
What? Oh, thanks. Here we are, guys. Welcome to Lake McKenzie.
We are here.
Right there, apparently. Let's go. Guys, we're just at Lake McKenzie here, having a nice swim. People have told us that there's some turtles around, so we're going to have a look at some turtles, so let's see what we can find.
Landings that we're hitting?
That'll do. I think so, anyway.
Recording?
Yeah.
Barge landing is where we're going now. Should I go right over?
No, just go straight up, just go gently up to it. Just keep an eye on the GoPro too.
bump there.
Yep, just keep going at this. We'll go up. Yep.
Oh,
Yep. There you
easier
go.
than I thought. Oh, Mitts, we love you. We just want to chop your back open and put in drawers and...
We're not going to chop anything. Here we are, guys, at Ungowa, checking for updates. Yeah.
I'm just coming in here because there's sun. If someone else comes, they can tell us to move.
Hi guys, welcome back to Flatbreak Adventures. So I'm not sure if you've been following our videos lately, but we're in Fraser Island and we're actually at a place called Ungowa right now. So beautiful little spot, and I'll show you around.
I did do a bit of a walk around here for you as well.
So this is the road you come in on. We are
And I should check out the facilities.
Sherry's going to check out the facilities. That's where we parked at the moment. We've got some issues with our fridge. We just found we've got 2 fan blades missing. Not sure what this building is here.
It's a beautiful area. And there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 picnic tables and chairs. So you can camp here right near the water. And there's one spot there for a caravan, which we've parked in because it's the only place with sun and we need it. And has the toilet facilities, which is fantastic. Now, guys, if you're going to come out to a place like this, seriously, it couldn't be that hard to take your rubbish. Like, I can only guess what's in there. I'm not going to open it. It doesn't smell, but I will put it in our rubbish bag, thankfully, because it doesn't smell. Oopsies. There we go. So, started off at Rainbow, got up to Inskip, crossed over to the tip, we drove all the way up to Eurong, and then we went in to about there, which is where the central station is, and I think we're probably about around this area here now.
Okay, so goodbye Ungowa.
We'll see you next visit.